What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Anker Soundcore speaker. Now before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. To begin pairing your Anker Soundcore speaker, you want to make sure that it's first powered on, and you can do that by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds. Now, if this light is blinking, that means it is trying to already pair with the device. If that light is solid, that means it already paired with the device. But if you're trying to pair it with a different device, what you can do is press and hold down the Bluetooth button right here for a few seconds, and it should blink just like this. Now, once it's blinking, you can go on your settings menu, and underneath your Bluetooth settings, you can then select the Anker Soundcore speaker. So this was my video on how to pair your Anker Soundcore speaker. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.